Today is Wednesday, December 4th. And once again, before I start, the market's already opened. So before I start, here is the usual disclaimer. So any comment, statement, or any verbiage stated in this recorded webinar should never be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be taken, nor should it be considered as advice for take specific trades. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, to merely illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive system. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive system is not indicative of future results. Once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, and I must also emphasize that I am not a licensed trading advisor. Okay, so with that said, let me show you first the economic calendar here. There's one that's coming up at 11 p.m. That's the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. Again, that's red. Yesterday's red folder was really nothing, so I'm expecting the same thing since, again, this is the holidays. So we'll see what happens at 11 p.m. Philippine time. That's 10 a.m. Eastern time. So we'll see what happens there. But so far, looking at the naked chart, this is what we see. Looks like we're in a range right now, but let's see here on the naked chart right there. There's a naked chart. So it looks like we're, as usual, our overall trend is up, as you can see here, right? So it's basically up right now, and it's going up as well. So we'll see what happens here. Let me go up to this, what we call the first deviation level, right? This is the second deviation level. So since it already retraced down here, we're expecting this to at least go up here. So I'm expecting this to go up even further, so maybe up to here. Okay. So right now it bounced off the trend. Let's see if we're going to test that trend line again. So with that said, we are looking for at least, we're looking for long positions. Let's go back to our Congressive chart. And there you have. It looks like there is some resistance right here. You can see. Where's the rectangle? Yeah, it's around right there. Some resistance level there, as well as down here, some support. Right. So it looks like we're breaking the resistance level here. As you can see, we have more momentum going up. So it looks like we're going up. This is a good trade to enter. So with that said, there's, like I said, I'm trading 3 contracts here. My goal is 300 to be done within 1 hour, and we shall see. Again, this webinar should last at least 1 hour. And with that said, I'll put this on mute, and I'll talk to you guys later. trade. I'm done for the day. Net 338.66. Again, my goal is 300. So I am basically done for the day. So I needed, you can see there's the trend line start going up. We're going with a all trend is up, so that's why we're able to get that. So with that said, today is Wednesday, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this webinar. Again, that was less than 30 minutes. I know news is coming up in less than 10 minutes, right? We have news coming up. Now, the other news that came up was around 9:15 p.m., I believe. Yeah, 9:15. Let me see if that happened here. So it was 9:15 p.m. So it would have been 8:15 Eastern. So let's see here. There's that big bar right there. There's that big bar. That's it. One long bar, and that was it. So this one probably have the same thing. Maybe that's the only effect. So we'll see. Again, if you're in a trade, you have maybe 3 minutes to go. And watch out for this possible what we call a erratic bar right there. Okay. So as the trend continues going up, yesterday we were going down, now we're going up. So that said, I will end this webinar. You guys have a great evening. Traders have a great evening. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow I'll be in Cebu. Currently I'm in Davao right now. And with that said, good night. God bless.